Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment, and today we're on a John Deere CS690 and we're going to show you a few of the daily service points. Guys, there's a lot of people that skip these steps first thing in the day when you're getting ready to go out and run because they think maybe it takes too much time, but I'm going to show you just how quick it can be to go over these points. So stick with us here and we'll get started. You just walked up to your John Deere CS690 to start the day. You got 7 points on the bottom and 3 on the top. First step, we're going to grease these pivot points here right behind the header. You got 1 on this side and 1 on the other side. Step 2, tire pressure. We're going to check the front duals. You'll have a valve stem, of course, for each tire. So 4 across the front here need to be at 30 psi. You also need to check your rear steering wheels here. 1 on this side, 1 on the rear, and these need to be at 47 psi. Step 3. We have 3 hydraulic oil sight gauges we need to check. First one will be behind your driver's side front duals. Second gauge will be inside your power module, behind your pumps. Third gauge is going to be in the doors behind your duals, be at your transmission. Step 4, inspect your lower rear fire extinguisher to make sure the gauge is in the green. Step 5, we're going to check our engine oil level. We're going to look for the yellow dipstick that'll be in the engine compartment in front of your rear tires. Open it up here, pull it out, make sure our engine oil level is between the notches here. Step 6, we're going to grease our rear traveling axle. There are 8 points total, 4 on each side. We need to grease the steering arm here at the cylinder side, steering arm there at the wheel side, also the top of our kingpin and the bottom of our kingpin. Step 7, this step should actually happen twice within the day, once at the beginning of the day and at your 6-hour interval. We're going to open the machine into transport mode, inspect our belts, and clear out any debris that may be a fire hazard. On the platform, we have 3 service points. Step 1, inspect your platform fire extinguisher and make sure the gauge is in the green. Step 2, right behind the cab, we're going to check the functionality of our auxiliary water system, make sure it's functioning. If it's not, you'll walk across to the other side of the platform and check your solution tank level. Third and final step, again we're here in transport mode. We're going to inspect our feed belt here, inspect the stitchings, inspect for any wear and tear. Also while we're here, we'll inspect our baling belts and remove any debris that may cause you problems. So you've just seen how quick and easy it is to do this daily maintenance. This could save you time, money, keep you safe, and increase the life of your machine. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.